Hello, this is Nikki in Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And today we're going to take a look at stained glass coloring book, Nature and Landscapes. So we have a picture which presumably will be inside on the front, and the same with the back. I really like this. This was part of my reason for choosing this book. So the front page is the same as, the title page is the same as the front cover, except done in grayscale. The book is by Creative Coloring Press. So, I'm wondering if that's the sun or a tree. So this is typical Amazon paper, as we all know about. The pages are single-sided, and the backs are nice clean white. Pictures are framed, which I do appreciate. Some of the pictures have bold line art, while others are a little less bold. I wouldn't call them thin, though. Now that's a little difficult to figure out what it is. But I think these are two trees. And is that a stump or is that a plant? Ah, there we go. That's the one in the back. On the back. In reverse. Yep. That's it. Except in reverse. Now here's one that's quite simpler than the others in the book so far. Very dark line art. So unless there's something in here for each stage, beginners all the way up to advanced colorists. Now that one looks very similar to the one on the back. Okay, just a minute. I believe this is just the same picture as the other one with this, sorry for all the flipping, this boat has been removed and then it's the same picture. That doesn't fly with me. I'm getting the feeling that these are stock images. Not that there's anything wrong with that per se, but it doesn't say they are, which I feel is not ethical towards the buyer of the book or the owner of the stock images. That's an easy one. It's nice. Yeah, again, this looks like it belongs to the set of the previous one we saw with the mushrooms. Yeah, I have to say there's a couple of styles. There are a couple of styles in here. There's a lot of these lighthouse ones, though only the two are the same. That's going to be nice. Looks like a Japanese pagoda. Now this one's quite thin. It doesn't seem like an hard one though. overall, these are interesting. Okay, what was the title of this book? Okay, Nature and Landscape. Okay, so a bear fits in with nature. I think it's our only animal so far. And then there's information from the creative coloring people. If you go to their website, you can sign up for a free coloring book, and they want to hear your ideas and see your finished artwork, and there's their social media. And we have one piece of scratch paper at the back. So overall, an interesting selection of pages which do fit the title. So once again, this is Stained Glass Coloring Book, Nature and Landscapes by Creative Coloring Press.